You open the fridge, stare blankly at its contents, then close it, still hungry. Nothing looks good, nothing feels right, another minute gone, still hungry, still stuck. Marcus Aurelius knew this feeling. He'd say the problem isn't the fridge itself, but your mind searching for the perfect choice. Sometimes, simply making a choice, any choice, is true freedom from indecision. The next time you open that fridge door, set a mental 10-second timer. Pick the first decent thing you see and commit. Sound familiar? Share your fridge stare below. Let's find clarity together.